Skin tags are harmless bumps that often pop up on different parts of your body. They usually show up in places where your skin folds or rubs together, like your armpits, neck, eyelids, under your breasts, and around your groin. They're usually the same color as your skin or a bit darker, and they feel soft if you touch them. Lots of folks like to use natural ways to get rid of skin tags instead of going to the doctor. Natural methods are usually gentle and less likely to leave scars or make your skin irritated. Let's talk about 6 natural remedies for skin tag removal. Number 1, garlic. Garlic has helpful stuff like allicin, alliinase, and sulfur, making it good for your health. When you put garlic on a skin tag, it breaks it down, helping it fall off without hurting you. First, make sure the area is clean by washing it gently with soap and water, then drying it well. Cut a piece of garlic to fit the tag, put it on, and cover it. Leave it overnight. In the morning, take it off and clean the area. Repeat until the tag falls off, usually in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes garlic might make your skin burn or itch, so test it on a small spot first. If you have big tags or they're in sensitive spots, talk to a doctor before trying this. Number 2, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is popular for fixing many health and beauty problems, including getting rid of skin tags. It works because it has acid in it, called acetic acid, which fights germs. When you put it on a skin tag, the acid breaks down the tag, making it shrink and fall off. First, clean the area around the tag with soap and water. Some people use apple cider vinegar directly, but it's safer to mix it with water. Soak a cotton ball in the mixture and put it on the tag, holding it with tape. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, twice a day. If it hurts, take it off. It might take a few weeks for the tag to disappear. If it doesn't, see a doctor. Number 3, banana peel. When you rub a banana peel on a skin tag, it helps to remove it by gently scrubbing away the cells that make up the tag. Plus, the peel has stuff called antioxidants that can calm down redness and swelling. First, wash the area with soap and water. Get a ripe banana and cut off a piece of the peel. Put the inside part of the peel on the tag and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and repeat if needed. Try it on a small spot first to make sure it doesn't bother your skin. If it does, stop using it. Number 4, castor oil with baking soda. The mix of castor oil and baking soda is great for getting rid of skin tags because each ingredient has special powers. Castor oil is like a superhero against skin problems because it fights inflammation, bacteria, and fungus. Baking soda is like a scrubber that can gently clean your skin. When you mix them together, you get a paste that helps peel off the tag and dry it out slowly. Using this paste twice a day for a few weeks can help the tag fall off without hurting your skin around it. Number 5, vitamin E oil. Using vitamin E oil for skin tags can be helpful, but it's important to get good quality oil. Find oil with natural vitamin E, not synthetic versions. Test a small spot first in case your skin is sensitive. If you have vitamin E capsules, poke one and squeeze out the oil. Or use vitamin E oil from a bottle with a dropper. Put a bit of oil on a cotton ball and dab it on the tag twice a day. It might take a few weeks for the tag to go away. Remember, it might not work for everyone, and results can vary. Number 6, iodine. Iodine is a natural element found in seawater and some foods. It's not clear exactly how it works on skin tags, but it seems to dry them out. When you put iodine on a tag, it goes through the skin and dries up the cells there. This can make the tag smaller, and sometimes it falls off by itself. First, make sure the tag and around it are clean and dry. Then, use a cotton ball to put iodine on the tag. Be careful not to touch healthy skin. You can cover it with a bandage if you want. Do this every day until the tag is gone. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.